Hi all, welcome back. So today is 7th December 2022 and today I have got a chance to take an intraday trade in Mahindra and Mahindra Limited stock. So with that intraday position, I have booked the profit around 3,000 rupees. So in this video, I will try to explain you about the logic or the strategy, whatever you can say. I will try to explain you how I taken this trade and when I close the position and what is the reason behind it. Okay, so for that, I will go to the Mahindra and Mahindra chart. Okay, so this is Mahindra and Mahindra 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, so here, there is a one key level here. I will plot that first. Okay, so for that, let me do this. Okay, so this is the key level. Okay, so the reason I am saying that it is a key level is point number one on 25th November. If I zoom here on 25th November, when it started taking support here only. So Mahindra, I mean, the stock price fell down and it took support there and it went up to the 1267 rupees. And on the next day again, even after getting a good buying, again it fell down, but again there only it took the support. Even the third day, continuous third day also, it took the support at the same point. And after taking the support on third attempt, it started going up very strongly. So that means this support is very strong support. That means if it gets if the stock price gets the support here, then the price has the capability to move up to this extent. So that's the reason this will become a very strong support. So after plotting that strong support, I'm observing few things here from last 2 to 3 days. I will explain that also. So I will zoom here. This is the recent 3 days. So this is on 5th December price action, and this is on 6th December, and this is today's price action, 7th December. Okay, so here what I'm observing mainly is, first let us go to 5th December only. So 5th December, we are seeing a good selling, right? In the initial first 1 hour of trading session, we are seeing a good selling slowly, and it is coming almost closer to the support. What is that support? 1249 or roughly 1250. You can take it like that. So on that day only, the sellers might have expected that the price may hit this support here, right? But unfortunately, what happened? Before reaching to that support level, buyers managed to take it up from there on. Okay, so what they did here, slowly, they created a small support above the key support, right? So on the same day, after reaching to some extent, they fell down again. But even in the second attempt of selling also on the same day, sellers were not able to bring it down to this support. So again, they failed there and buyers took the support at the same level. And coming to the next day, that is on 6th December, same pattern. So whatever the small support they have taken on 5th December, they've extended, I will extend that support level again. So same thing happened. So even after getting a gap down opening, immediately buyers, if you see the first 5-minute candle, immediately buyers took it above that support. They did not give any chance to the sellers here. So first 5-minute candle itself, they moved up above that small support level and they started taking the support again. And they again went up. And on the same day, they again fell down. Again, they started taking the support in the similar, almost closer to that support. Again, they went up. So 2 days, they taken the support at the small blue line or blue level, or twice we can say. So if I draw the price action, so it fell down to this support level, it went up, right? Again, if I draw the support, it fell down, it went up. Okay, again, if I draw, it fell down. 1 minute. After buyers making to go up above the support level, again they fell to the same level and they went up. Again, if I draw this price action, they fell almost closer to it, they went up. So what we are seeing from last 2 days, so this support is giving a very strong support, and what they are indicating here is, if the price gets the support here, then there is a chance that from there on, it may go to up to this extent, right? So I plotted this level because this is one attempt where they try to go up. This is second attempt. Immediately after touching that level, it fell down. This is third attempt, and this is fourth attempt on the same day. So it just moving up and down, up and down, up and down, right? So just above the key support level, they are giving this kind of pattern. And do you know, who will be the bigger players here? Mainly the normal traders or the new traders or small traders basically look for selling only because there is a key support level. So there might be large number of sellers here, large number of sellers here. They failed, the large numbers of sellers here, large number of sellers here. And on 4 attempts, sellers got failed. So what happens today? If in case, if the same pattern happens, no retail trader, mainly retail trader means just like you and me, small traders, new traders who are trading with small capital. So these traders, after seeing this kind of price action from last 2 days, and in 2 days, 2 times it has given support, right? So what we will expect? So on today, if it gets this support at the same level, then we also look for buying, and our target will be this point only. What is that? 1262, or just above the 1262 or 63. So if I go to today's price action, let me show you. So what they did here, I will extend the same support level, okay? Here, you can see it very clearly what they did. Here also, just like what they did just above the blue line, they gave a heavy support there, and then only they started going up again. They reached to that blue line. And here also during first 1 hour session, again, they created a small support above that level. This created a small support. They created a picture that, okay, today also they are trying to get the good support here, just like previous days, and they want to go up. And if you see, when it is going up, none of the candle has a good closing, right? Here, this particular section might have trapped number of new traders, small traders, and those who are expecting that by seeing this price action from last 2 days, there might be lot of buyers they might have taken the buying position here and expecting the target up to 1262. But unfortunately, what the manipulators did here, they did not give a closing here. First thing, that itself a good signal. Means even if you have taken by mistake or intentionally or unintentionally, if you have taken a buy position here, expecting that it will move to this, they have given a clue also. None of the candles are closing very good, closing above the previous candle high. So that itself is a good indication. So, and even if you have taken the position, you should come out of the position by seeing this kind of price action. There is no good closing. You should not stay there much time. And what they did, those who have expected this target and they're still waiting here, they got killed off very sharply. If I zoom here, this is the place where the sharp downfall, they have given intentionally to kill all the buyers. If I zoom here, I will highlight in red color so that it will be visible for you. So see this sharp downfall. The reason this sharp downfall is they have number of buyers who got trapped here. They're expecting the price will hit this blue line. But before hitting that targets, everybody are still active. I mean, they are in open positions, and immediately manipulators pumped the amount here. I mean, they started selling heavy shares here, and they all the way came down to the below support line, a small support line, and they killed all these buyers. So mostly the buyers who are taking the position here, they might have kept the stop losses somewhere here, day low, and somewhere here, day low. I mean, the support, who are closely observing the previous day's price action, they might have kept their support stop loss here also. So what they did, intentionally, they trapped many buyers here, okay? and they killed immediately. In the blink of eye, they started falling down very sharply, and they did not even give an idea also. They did not give a chance to think that will it stop anywhere. So this is the place where I have taken the sell position. So when I've seen the these spikes, okay, 1 minute, sorry. When I've seen these spikes here, okay, I understood today there is a chance that they may kill these buyers. Actually, yesterday itself, I was expecting this kind of move. Yesterday itself, I was expecting this kind of move, and I was waiting to take the trade if I see any red candle closing below, a good red candle closing below. And the same, whatever the price action that we are seeing today, getting buyers trapped here and falling very sharply. I expected it should be happening yesterday only, but unfortunately the closing is not good. None of the candle is closed below the previous candle, all are become spike. So that's the reason I did not get the chance to take the trade yesterday. So I did not post any video also. So today again, I was waiting for the same price action. I want to see the buyers getting trapped. The reason I'm looking for buyers trap is they are repeating this price action from last 2 days and 4 times, 2 times a day and 4 times in 2 days. So that's the reason I thought there can be a chance that they will reverse the move, whatever the retail traders or general psychology of human will feel that the same kind of pattern will repeat again. So they will reverse that. So I thought they will do it here only. But unfortunately, none of the candle has closed very good. Closing has not happened. Closed below the previous candles. So all are spikes here. So I did not get any sell position here. So here I got a good chance here. So when I've seen a good closing, this particular candle at 10:45, I've seen a good closing here, and following to that, next candle is also falling from there. So I immediately taken a short position there. Okay, I taken a short position, and my target is just for the day low and just above the high they made it. Sorry. This is the where I have taken the position for today. So if you see, this is a position. So here I booked the profit around 3,000 rupees. So point which I want to highlight here in this particular trade is manipulators or the big players, they make the normal or small traders to feel that it will happen in one way, and immediately they will go in opposite way. So in 2 days, they have given a good repeated price action. And today they have reversed that price action. In that reversing action, they have also got the number of buyers here, and immediately they started going down. So this is what the manipulators generally do in intraday or in daily time frame also. This is the same kind of behavior you will be observing in any kind of stock or in any time frame. So this is what we have to be very careful. First signal itself we have got here only. None of the candle is closing very good. Closing is not there above the previous candles. So that itself is a good signal. So even if you have taken a buy position, you should just come out of the position if you are not seeing a good closing. And after seeing that spikes above the body of the candle and a good red candle here, I took the short position here. So actually this position, in this kind of trade, I expected yesterday only, but that did not happen. Today it happened and I took it. And after that, if you see this kind of movement, if you observe, this is completely manipulated move. So after coming down, they immediately shoot it up again. So those who have expected at least this time, those sellers who are entering here in this point, okay, if I entered here and my target was just below the day low. And those who are seeing this price action during the day, what they feel. So there is a key support level here. So possibly it may even fall to that key support level. So there may be number of sellers might be entering here, entering in this place and expecting the target to this point. Again, what they did, they sharp move towards the high again, and they killed all the sellers who are taking the position by going above the blue line, upper blue line. You can see it. Again, those who have taken the buy position, immediately they did not give chance here also. They came down again, they killed everybody. So it just completely a manipulated move by the big players in this particular zone. is just a complete manipulation by the big players. They know where the small traders trade, where the small traders will enter. They know very well. And by playing with the psychology, they gave this kind of sharp moves up and down to kill all the buyers and all the sellers. By doing this kind of behavior during first half of the day, slowly they started going up. So after going, I mean, in this up and down movements only, many millions of new traders and small traders, retail traders might have got losses already, and they're not interested to trade anymore here. So slowly they again taking it up. I don't think any trader are interested to take any buy position here, even if you're seeing a good buying here. So by seeing this kind of, very sharp moves towards the down and up and down, up and down. So we don't know at what point of time they will bring it down again. So retail trader, they don't want to take that much risk again. If it you're entering again, coming down, killing it by the stop losses, they don't want to take the risk, right? So I don't think none of the small traders might have entered here, because already they might have taken some losses here. So this is what mainly the point here is, this kind of price action. We should be very, very, very cautious. I generally repeat multiple times. When you see spikes here, right? When you see these spikes on the above the body of the candle, then don't take the buy positions. And when you see the spikes below the body of the candle, don't take the sell positions. So this is very, very important point which you have to follow in the intraday trading, basically, because that is a place where number of traders get trapped, and these big players utilize our intention and psychology, and what we say, many traders will be forcing themselves to take the position immediately, expecting that you are losing the chance. So don't think that you are losing the chance. And if you're too greedy to take the position, you will become the food to the other people. So don't be in that way. When you see the spikes below the body of the candle, don't take sell positions. And when you see spikes above the body of the candle, don't take buy positions. Okay, so this is what I want to highlight mainly in this today's position. So I hope this kind of behavior is very much helpful for you also to follow and learn if you want to trade in the intraday mode. So just have a note of it. And even if you want to spend some time, also go to the previous day's charts also and see when you're seeing the spikes above the body of the candle, don't take the buy position, right? This is one small example I can tell. So here you're seeing good spikes above the body of the candle, but the closing is not good here. The selling candle, whatever the red candle which we are seeing, it did not close below the previous candles, right? So that's the reason we should not take the sell here. So many sellers got trapped here, and they started shooting up, and they killed all the sellers who have taken here, because the sellers will be keeping their stop losses just above the high, right? The high. So they killed everybody. So this is the learning way where, this is one of the learning where you can track, or you can practice also, and see how the price behaves in the 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, so I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.